Welcome back to Flavors of Africa, and we hope you brought your appetites because we love to cook and we know that you love to eat. So,
yes!
yeah, that's right. So, wonderful viewers, we have our favorite chicken wraps here, and they were my favorite growing up with my sisters. I know you always surprise us with that after school. So, this is a great option, again, for kids, family, and friends.
Yes, so we have all our ingredients here, wonderful viewers. We have the basil from my garden. I'm sharing it with you today. And then what makes this dish or the sandwiches special is this dip, the delicious, the secret dip, because it's made with goat cheese and yogurt and a drizzle of olive oil. And we also have lemon to go with it, just a little bit of lemon, and you mix it up. What else goes in there? That's it. So easy, so simple.
So now you've let them in on the secret.
Exactly.
Because you're our wonderful viewers.
Thank you. You guys are. You really are. So that's what we're going to do, and we're gonna start with our chicken breast and the chicken thigh. It's gonna be so delicious.
And you say that that's the most flavorful
Yes,
part.
it is. That's the thigh. The thigh is amazing. So we're gonna mix it up, cook it up, and do it.
That's right, and it will have the finished product for you.
Yes.
Wonderful viewers.
Exactly. So we start with a little bit of olive oil.
We're just gonna drizzle that into our pan.
Yes. And then we add our spices. So we have the salt. Salt is gonna go into it. So what I'm trying to do is to sweat it a little bit, just to mix it up. And then when we put the chicken in it, it will soak all the beautiful spices.
And then the aroma that comes from it. That I always enjoy.
So that's what we're doing here.
That's right.
And then I'm just gonna use a spoon to take the chicken breast, put it in, and then mix it up. And then we take.
We're gonna put in a thigh, a chicken thigh.
Exactly.
And then we're gonna add
easy.
that.
This is so easy, and not just that, it's gonna be so delicious. So that's what we're doing for you. Wonderful.
That's right. And then we have our cucumbers, our radishes, our onions, our lettuce. So we have all the vegetables too.
Yes.
Let's just say that somebody was to go without chicken, you also have the vegetarian option because the sauce is incredible.
It's amazing.
The secret sauce, and of course we have wonderful recipes coming your way.
Yes.
Yeah, so don't go anywhere. We'll be right back. Welcome back, wonderful viewers. So we've cooked our chicken and then we put the sandwiches together with our secret sauce, which we've let you in on that secret, as well as the vegetables, just to make this sandwich absolutely delicious. So remember that when you cook the chicken, you just want to drizzle a little bit of olive oil in the pan, get your spices going. No wahala. It's so easy and so simple. We have amazing recipes coming your way as always on Flavors of Africa. And we also talked about, the message, the importance of forgiveness, and how important it is for your health and for healing. And we also love hearing from you through our Flavor fan mail. We really appreciate that. So shout out to our wonderful viewers, whether you're on the reserves, whether you're in Alberta, Ontario, Ottawa, Toronto, Calgary, Edmonton, no wahala.
Wherever you are.
That's right. We appreciate you.
Thank you so much. And remember, as we always say on Flavors of Africa, that food is culture, and that cultures that eat together stay together. Through food, we can continue to appreciate diversity and promote cultural unity.
That's right. Until next time, take care.